Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to screen record on Windows. Let's get started the video. Open the app or screen you want to record. Now press Windows plus Alt plus R on your keyboard to start recording. A small recording bar will appear here. Record as long as you need. To stop recording, press Windows plus Alt plus R again. Now your video will be automatically saved in Videos Captures folder. Open your file, go to Videos and click on Capture. Here is your recorded video. However, if you need advanced features like selecting a specific screen area, adding a webcam overlay, or editing your recording, you can use OBS Studio or ShareX. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.